Alright, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Monday, August 7th, and yeah, this is me day trading the morning of August 7th using the ES chart 2000 tick interval. Um, so yeah, this is what I opened the chart up today. So it will look like beginning this Monday morning. Um, Today was kind of interesting. The market was not doing what it usually does, but when does it ever do that? Should have been expected, but yeah, so this is what it looks like pre-market. I'm about to pull it back here, as you can see. Um, Looks like from the previous day, it's kind of been choppy, had a huge drop down pre-market, um, and then it's trading back up, it seems, um, potentially going back up. Um, Already, though, it kind of looks like it's maybe bullish to start the day, but again, we'll just have to see. Um, but we'll just have to see how it goes. But let's get into it here. Okay, so it's all sped up now. Um, I'm already thinking, trying to take some second entry longs. That's kind of what I was looking for in the beginning. Especially as soon as it opened, I kind of got quick to it. Just was like, okay, let's see what I can see. This morning I did wake up super tired. Stayed up a little later than I wanted to last night. But we still get up, we still go on. But sometimes that can screw me over because I'm not as focused as I would like to be. But it's all good. You live and you learn, and you keep going. So I'm trying to see what I can see, if I can establish any points here. Maybe a resistance line, that's why I drew that line right there. But it's not, it kind of just broke straight through. So then it kind of drops, and now I'm thinking, okay, this is just, maybe it's just correcting a little bit. Broke this trend channel, so then I'm like, okay, it's probably going to make a new extreme down. Do what the market does, following the trend line rules. And it does. We do get a break in the new extreme. Trades back up, does its thing. I'm drawing another channel. It's kind of just chopping back and forth, kind of like a trading range, but honestly, today was just very interesting. Um, it was just kind of doing whatever. I don't know if I would call this morning a trading range or bullish uptrend. I honestly don't know, but I believe that was a lower high back there. I marked it on my chart, but I believe that was a lower high at the top. I'll have to double check. Um, I'm not the greatest at spotting lower highs yet, but I put it there because I wanted to go back and look when I go watch some of the other guys' YouTube videos. And I mentioned it in my last video. I watched Thomas Wade and Pat's price action trade system. They're good. They teach the rules well. And so that's everything. They've taught me from YouTube everything I know. So if you haven't checked them out already, go check them out. But yeah, so then as it starts trading up, so I'm like, okay, am I looking for second entry longs again? Like, I don't know. It's just today's market was very hard to analyze for me. Even my friend said so. Like, we didn't even know what was really going on. We were texting kind of back and forth, like, yo, like what's the deal? What's going on? Yeah, it ended up kind of screwing me over today. I'm not gonna lie. I did take a losing trade. I got fooled. The market kind of played me, but you'll see why coming up here shortly. I thought it was a good setup. I thought the context was right, but I mean, you'll be the judge of my trade as we get to it. But as you can see, it starts kind of trading down. It doesn't know where it's going. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I had no idea. I just was just kind of trying to analyze myself, also trying to fight staying awake, because it does get pretty boring just staring at your screen, especially at like 3:30 in the morning. It's not the very best thing to do, but no excuses for me here. Got to be on my game every single morning. Um, but this is what I was analyzing. Okay, I'm like, okay, it's starting to trend down. Maybe like this, looking for shorts. No really good spots of entry. Just a lot of first entries. nothing really good to see. I marked this little spike right here, see what's going on. It ends up breaking this channel, so trendline rules. What do they say? If you get a break in the channel, it's got to make a new extreme. So uh, we get a break in the channel, comes down to the EMA, and then we get a bounce off the EMA. I almost considered taking this, but maybe other people's data is different. But I didn't get a bar that broke above for my first entry. I guarantee you, though, some other people's charts, they would have gotten a bar, and it did ended up working right here. Kind of bounced off the EMA, a pretty decent signal bar, and this did eventually go for like six to 8 ticks. Like, yeah, that would have been a good trade if you had the right data. You might have gotten a first entry and then a second entry right there, and that would have been a decent trade to enter. But I didn't get that, so if one of you guys did get that, who watched that in trades, let me know. I'm kind of interested to see, but I didn't get it, so wasn't worrying about it. But yeah, as you can see, we started approaching the kind of the high for the day. But again, like, I'm still thinking long, so now we're kind of in this trend channel going up. So now I'm thinking of taking a second entry long. Still analyzing, trying to see where it's going. See how it broke that trend line, and then it made a new high still. Now it's kind of chopping around. Makes a new high. See, now I mark the channel, the bigger channel of what's within the small channels. I mark the bigger channel as a whole. So this is what I'm thinking. Then, as you can see, this is where I got fooled, guys. This is where I got fooled. Pay attention. So it broke. It made a first entry, broke my broke the channel. So now I'm thinking, trend line rules. You get a break in a channel, it's gonna make a new extreme, right? So I'm like, okay, waiting for my second entry. So I just hold right here. And then I'm in, right? That's my second entry. If I would have, I went for 6 ticks because I thought it was gonna go to the top and test and make the new high. So I put 6 ticks. I was all in. I honestly believe this would have been a good trade. It literally goes up to 5 ticks, guys, and then just straight like 5 ticks, boom. One more, and I would have got my 6 tick trade, and then it just doesn't do what it's supposed to do and reverses on me and all the way stops me out. I was heartbroken. Not heartbroken, but like it's annoying when you think you're doing it right and then you just get stopped out. But it happens, guys. It happens. The thing is, you can't let it get to you. And I didn't let it get to me. I didn't try to revenge trade, which I in the past was really bad at. I would revenge trade and be like, no, I need to make my money back. You need to do this. You need to make this, and that's just not the way to do it. But as you can see, it just all the way stopped me out. And then I'm not even joking. Right after that, it goes up, and then it makes the new extreme. Technically, it makes 3 entries, which is really not common. Honestly, if you guys know what went wrong on that trade, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to know if someone knows why that it did that for some reason. But I thought it was good. The context was good. It was going bullish. I had the trend, had the break in the trend line, made a second entry right on the EMA, and I thought it was good a trade to take. But obviously, I was wrong. If I had 4 ticks, if I went for 4 ticks, I would easily get my 4 ticks. And we've been chilling. But I got a little greedy and wanted to get my 6 ticks. But that's because I thought it was going to go up. Like it did. Like you see, it goes up. Right after it stopped me out, and it goes up all the way to the top. Tests it, and makes a new extreme. And that's what I thought was going to happen after that second entry off the EMA. But, maybe my trend channel wasn't wide enough. And that could have been it. But, yeah. And then after that, I just kind of analyzed it more, and it was already getting till 5 o'clock, and that's my gym time. So after that, I just got off and, called it a day. And took a loss today. But, it happens, guys. Strategy's not foolproof, and you are bound to make mistakes and lose. I'm going to go back and analyze and watch Thomas Wade's and Pat's videos, see what I did wrong, because they're really good explaining and analyzing. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'm going to leave my last video here. This is where I explain my successful trades in the past, and then I'll leave the subscribe button here on the right. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it from here. I'll see everybody tomorrow in the next day trading video. Hope everyone has a great day, and hope everyone who did trade made some good trades today. Yeah, so I'll catch everybody in the next one. Peace.